Hello, hello! In today's How to Draw video, we are going to be drawing one of Peppa Pig's friends, Candy Cat. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Let's get drawing. Okay, let's start drawing Candy Cat. So we're going to start off with her head, and it's a nice big circle. So we'll just start that here, and we'll go down. And you know, if it's easy to draw circles, you can actually turn the page as you go. That kind of helps you make a nice circle shape, like that. Or you can use an object to trace around it as well, up to you. Okay, so there's her head, and next thing we will do is her ears. So cat ears are kind of pointy, so we'll kind of do a little triangle there and one on the other side. So she's going to be looking over there. Alright, next part we'll draw her eyes, and we'll draw a nice big circle there and another one right there as well. And then draw some pupils, like that. Next part is to draw her nose. She's got a bit of a triangle nose, as cats do. Like that, and we can colour that in later. And then she's got whiskers, so she's got 1, 2, 3 whiskers on that side, and then the same on the other side, 1, 2, 3, like that. Next part is we'll draw her mouth, and she's a very happy cat, so a big smile, like that, and just another little curve in there for her tongue. And the last thing for her head is her cheek. So we'll draw a circle there, we can colour that in a little bit later. Okay, so that's the head done. Next part we'll do is her body, and we'll start off with doing a line along the bottom here, starting there, going and stopping about here. So it's a similar width to the head there. Okay, and then from this line here, we'll join it up to the head, and we'll do a nice curve shape up like that. And then same on the other side, you can start from the head, go down, stop at the line, nice curve there. Okay, so let's draw her arms, and they're nice easy stick figure arms. You can make them thicker if you like, but it's nice and easy to draw it like this. Okay, so that's her arms, 1, 2. Next we'll do is her tail. So we'll do a nice curve like that, and we'll go around and then back. And the tail's similar width all the way through. Okay, the next part we'll do is her legs and her feet, and I think we're going to make her look like she's walking because she's got her arms sticking out, so it looks like she's doing some sort of action. So we'll draw 1 foot up here, nice little oval, it looks like a grain of rice, and then we'll just draw a line here, joining up with her body. Okay, and do the same on the other side here. We'll do it on a slightly different angle, and then we'll draw a line joining the body up like that. Okay, so that's Candy Cat all lined up. Next part is to colour in. And we've finished colouring, so there we go. There's Candy Cat all coloured in, and I think she looks pretty good. Looks like she's off to run to the playground to play with Peppa Pig. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you had lots of fun, and if you want to see more of these videos, we've got quite a few more Peppa Pig videos for you to watch and enjoy. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!